Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily update camera drivers on your laptop on Windows 10 or Windows 11 or Windows 8. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, first of all tap on that search bar on the bottom left corner and you'll have to search for device manager, and then tap on it and you will be directed to this page. And let's maximize this page, and right here you'll have to tap on cameras, double click, and then the camera of your laptop will be shown. It will pop up with that camera. You'll have to right click on that camera and then you'll find a bunch of different options and you'll have to tap on update drivers. And after that you'll find two options. The first one is saying that search automatically for drivers. You'll have to tap on it, and it's saying that the best drivers for your device is already installed. Now you don't need to do anything if your drivers are already updated to the latest version. Now you'll have to tap on close and then cross this whole window. So that's how you can easily update camera drivers of your laptop. I hope you found the video helpful. If you found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section.